Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick run through on how to use the Google Drive. If you haven't already, make sure you create a Gmail. When you create a Gmail, you're going to have access to a lot of cool apps. And I'm going to just kind of show you what we're going to use. So when you are on your Gmail, you can go to your Google Apps here, and these are a lot of resources that we're going to use throughout the internship. You're going to use Google Docs, Sheets, Google Meet, Calendar, and the Drive a lot. So we want you to get really familiar with some of these Google apps, and I'm going to talk more about how we are going to utilize the Drive app. So this is the Drive app, and this is kind of what it shows when you go to the Drive app. It shows kind of the recent projects that you've accessed, and something that we're going to share with you later on through the semester is something called the intern resource folder. So if you type in your search bar here for intern resources, if you have a lot of different files on your Google Drive, it's really nice to use the search feature. But if you go to intern resource folder here, it's going to show you a lot of different resources that we use. In the training section, we have everything that you'll need to know for the semester. All these sources are really helpful. Also, one of the most important folders that you'll be using is your own project folder. Okay, so I'm going to pull up an example of a project that we've done in the past. And let's say this is a project that we're doing for the summer 7-week break. But these are the folders that you'll have within your project folder for the semester. And you'll really be storing all of your data here in the working files folder. This should already be ready for you to use. But throughout the semester, we really want you to download all of your data and to keep it pretty organized as well. This team has done a pretty good job at putting different subcategories in their working files folder, and we really want you to just make sure that you download all of the data here throughout the semester, so that 6 months from now, let's say if you leave and the client needs some past information, we can just come in here and look and find the data that you had instead of going back to you. These other folders here, this final deliverable folder will have the copy of your presentation as well as a copy of your final deliverable. The project scope, this is where you can keep all the files that you use to brainstorm your project, so you can write down the scope, the methodology, and the executive summary here in this folder. And we just want you to make sure you utilize this and keep all of your information in there throughout the semester. So I hope that helps. We're excited to get going.